Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to buy the bull coin. It's easy to get this token. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com, link in the description of video. Simply scroll down and copy the contract address. Once you've copied the contract address, if you scroll down more, you'd find the market where it's being exchanged. And as you can see, it's on the Pancake Swap. So minimize and open up a wallet that supports the BNB Smart Chain, be it your MetaMask or Trust Wallet, both will function the same way. Click on Trust Wallet. Once your Trust Wallet has been opened up, make sure you have some Smart Chain BNB. You could simply use the search icon at the top of the screen to search for BNB. That's the Smart Chain BNB, this one. Click on Smart Chain. If you do not have Smart Chain BNB, click on the buy option and proceed to buy your Smart Chain using your credit card or your Visa card. So guys, you've gotten yourself some BNB tokens. Your next step would be to head over to the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, select Pancake Swap as the exchange of use. When you simply scroll down, you'd find it in the DeFi section. So click on Pancake Swap. Alright guys, and once PancakeSwap.finance is opened, click on the Connect Wallet option, select Trust Wallet and connect your wallet to the Pancake Swap platform. And with your wallet connected, your next step would be to transfer or swap your tokens from the BNB chain over to the Bull token. So paste the contract address for the Bull token, click on import, click on I understand the risk and click on import once more. Enter the amount of tokens you wish to swap for the Bull. Simply click on the swap option, set your slippage tolerance above 1% and click on swap. Click on confirm swap and a smart contract call is pulled in. Click on the approve, enter your passcode and the transaction has been submitted. Now click on add Bull to wallet. By doing this, you get to add the Bull token to your wallet and it would then reflect once the token is in your wallet. By a simple reload, you'd find the tokens here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.